Hello, you're welcome again to my channel where we create amazing PowerPoint animations and creativity using Microsoft PowerPoint. And in this video today, at the end of this video, you'll be able to learn just what you saw at the beginning of this video, like a landing page of an airline. Okay, so without much ado, let's go right into how we got that, how we're able to create that. All right, so I already cleared the text box. So the first thing first is to insert the video, right? And inserting the video can be done in two ways. If you are using a PowerPoint, one of the latest PowerPoint, I've forgotten now. The latest PowerPoint is where you have Microsoft 360. Yeah, you can easily go to insert, and then one of the options here, you can have insert video, and then you see insert stock video around here, and then there you can search some of those short videos. But for the sake of the version I'm using here, I don't have access to that, so what I did was to download a video from YouTube. And if you want to do that, it's quite simple. You can easily go to your browser and then look for the video you want to download, and then copy the link. How do you do that? You right click around here and then you copy URL. Okay, so once that is copied, you can come to let's do it copy. Although I'm actually offline right now, so you just come to this website en.safefrom.net. So close this and then you paste your link here. So once the link is pasted in this search box, so it will load, and then you can click on download, and then you have your video. All right, so away from that, back to a tutorial. And okay, so I'm going to insert the video now since it's downloaded already. So here, device, and then here is the video. Okay, all right, so before I continue, please, I want to give credit to what is the website again? Tuning Emirates. Oh no, TK's Plane Spotting. I give credit to TK's Plane Spotting. So I got my video from there, and I'm also going to add their link to this video, the description of this video. All right. So if you are using a material that belongs to an original author, it is good to credit them and then add their link to whatever material you're attaching their video or pictures or whatever it is to. All right, yeah, to avoid plagiarism or any form of illegal activities, copyright issues. Okay, so I don't want to use the entire video here, so I'm going to go to video format, and where is it again? First of all, I want to crop it. Okay, maybe I should just leave this there since it's the name. Or if it's going to, let me just remove it since I'm still going to credit them. So I'm going to crop it off. Something like that. So it's done already. I come to playback. excuse me, and remove some of the part of the video that I'm not interested in. So I do that from trim video. Okay, so here we have the timeline, and this is the starting point, which that is the end point. So I want the starting point around here. Something like that. I'm cool with this. I want the end point to no. Or let me just leave the end point. Let me do with what we have because of our time. Alright, so I already cut some part of the video off, and I actually want it to full the screen. So we'll have it this way, and then the base this way. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to insert a shape quickly, a rectangular shape. I'm going to leave this so that you can have this, something like that. So having done that, I'm going to draw another shape, this time a rounded corner rectangle. I'm going to draw that around here, something like that, and I'm going to use this yellow button right here, or node, to curve the entire edges, the entire corners, so to have this. So now I'm going to hold down the shift key and click on the first shape, which is the rectangle, and then I'll go to merge shapes and then subtract. It's not giving me what I want. Sorry, just a moment. This with the shift key. Yes. Yeah. So this is what I want. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do now is, sometimes PowerPoint can misbehave. But what I do is, if I do, like for instance, I was trying to get something like this and then it was giving me the opposite. So what I just did was to click out and reselect it. I reordered the selection. Instead of selecting the rounded rectangle first, I selected the regular rectangle, and then I held the shift key to select the rounded corner rectangle. But if you don't have issues with that, you can just do it once, and then once you have this, you're good. So I'm going to right click now and have format shape. So on the format shape, I want to have the fill color to be black, and then I want to adjust my transparency to 50%, something like that. Okay, I want to adjust the shape to be exactly the shape of the side of the video, something like this. I don't want to have a different size of the shape of the video. So yeah, it's trimmed now. So from here we can have one of the icons that I already downloaded. But before then, I want to click on this. Sorry, I think I skipped the procedure. Sorry. Before we go into merging, I should have done something to this shape. So I give it a white color, and I increase the width, something like that. Okay, I'm good now. So I can come back to selecting it with this, and then it's there again. So we're going to repeat the procedure. See, okay. Okay. And put this on 3, something like that. or maybe 4. Okay, I'm good now. So the two shapes are merged. I'm going to fill it with black like I did before, and then I'll adjust the transparency by 50%. Yeah, I'm good now. So like I did before, I'm going to, or I can just leave it that way. Let me see. Okay, I'm good. I can still make do of it this just the way it is now. So I'm going to insert the search button now. I already downloaded it, so I'm going to bring it in without the background. Sorry, insert. You can actually remove the background on PowerPoint, but I don't have that luxury of time right now. So I'm going to reduce the size and put it exactly where it belongs. Something like that. And then I'm going to type insert text box anyway. So the font here is then so that we don't waste much of our time, and then the text is white, while probably you can just give it an outline, something that is not too, okay. Let's make do with this white first. Just have to increase, yeah, something like that. But if you so wish, I'd like to add the text outline, just a faint gold color, something like that. Alright, so yeah, we're getting there, making the progress. So I already have some of the content on the, I already have it so that to adjust the time spent. So I'm going to be moving this now, Control C, and now Control V, paste it. I'm just going to move it somewhere. So this is just normal, type, and then place it, something like that. Okay, so just to make it more, what we're designing is the landing page, or let's say the home page of the airline. So currently now the active page here is the home page. It's a website and there are different pages. So this is the home page, and I'm just going to, just like what we have in the hover effect in either when you're designing with CSS and HTML, or if you are designing with this template platform. I've forgotten right now. Okay, so I just want to insert a line, something like that, hover effect. So I'm going to change the shape outline to white, and I'm also going to adjust the something like this. So I'm going to, this is more like, I'm going to zoom in. Okay. So this line is more like a hover effect, like if you get to move your cursor over to contact us, this line will move to it. Well, those that understand. So I'm just going to zoom back out, and we'll continue. It's looking like it's not balanced yet. Okay, it's good now. So what I'm going to bring in next now is the text. The caption of what we are creating, which I already wrote here. So I'm going to copy it as well. copy, and using a text box, insert text box, paste. So pasting this now, I have a font for it. So 10 as the font, and the color is white. And then I'm going to increase the size. No, this is too much. Okay, we'll go with this. And then I'll put the alignment in the center. Increase this a little bit. Alright, well, I'm making a good progress here. Now, I think the last guy here is what we have left, and I'm going to insert picture, this device. I already removed the background. It's going to be here with us as a customer care representative. Something like that. It should be smaller than this. Then I'm going to move one of those guys. Just duplicated it using Ctrl D. So as to have the uniform content there. So I'm going to write we are available, chat us. Something like that. Let's reduce the size. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, there is something more I'd like to do. I want to add some animation to this guy, and that will be animation. I want it to fly in something like that. Floating. I think floating is better. And on the floating, I want it to be with previous. That is, it should float in with the previous display. Okay, let me preview what we've done so far. Okay. But something is missing here. I think I have my video cropped, so I'm going to stop the preview and let's see what will happen here. Okay, so I think we've gone outside the slide here, so I'm going to move this in. I'm also going to move this thing. I'm going to move and right here. Something like that. Let's see now. Perfect. Alright, so let's check the preview again. So you can now add your sound, whatever other features you like to add. So that's it so far. So let's go to our show now. That is it, the landing page of Emirates Airline. You can add some more features like maybe icons of what you do, the services you provide, or why your customers should choose the airline. You can have them all here. So I think this is creative enough. I hope you learned one or two things from the content of the video.